Hi friends, in the last session we have started that string concept, right? So string concept in Python is the recommended concept. Of course, not only in the Python, if you consider any programming language, string is the recommended concept, right? Okay, but in string there are some difference is there when compared to other languages. There are some differences there with respect to string concept, and there are some other concepts also there in Python. Okay, normally string means representing within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is considered as a string. Okay, string means we can represent in this way, and we observed some of the rules. Okay, how to define multi-line string literals, how to define triple quotes, single triple quotes or double triple quotes, right? Okay, so this is the one, triple quotes and double triple quotes. Okay, now next to possible scenarios also we observed. Okay, if you are taking single quotes means how we can and all we observed, right? So now today we are going to discuss about how to access characters of a string. Okay, today concept is how to access characters of a string. How to access characters of a string, right? So today this is our concept. We can access characters of a string by using two ways. Okay, we can access characters of a string by using by using two ways. Okay, by using two ways. One is by using index, by using index. Second one is by using by using slice operator, by using slice operator. So we can access characters of a string by using two ways. One is by using index and by using slice operator, right? So first we will go for the slice index operator. Okay, accessing characters by using index operator. Accessing characters characters by using index operator. Accessing characters by using index operator. Okay, now observe here, first concept we are taking by using index operator. So Python supports both positive and negative. Okay, Python supports both positive and negative. Python supports Python supports Python supports both positive and negative. Python supports both positive and negative index. Okay, positive means positive means left to right. Positive means positive index means left to right, means forward direction. Okay, forward direction. So in the same way, means negative means right to left. Okay, right to left. That is backward direction. Backward direction. Okay. So Python supports both positive and negative index. Positive means left to right, negative means right to left. Okay. Positive means forward direction, negative means backward direction. Clear? So now the first point is accessing characters. Okay. First, let me go for the paint. Okay. You will get much clarity. I'm taking A I K U M A R. Okay, this is our string. Okay, so here I'm taking what? First here I'm taking S is equal to Sai Kumar. S is equal to Sai Kumar. Now observe here, first what I am doing. Now observe here. First of all, what I told you here, positive means left to right, negative means right to left. Python supports both positive and negative index. First we'll observe with the positive index. Okay, positive index means from in this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, positive means in this way. Negative means -6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means -8, -7, -6, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. Okay, we did some mistake. 7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, okay, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. Here -1. Okay, now observe the points one by one. See, first here what I am taking. First here what I am taking means I want to I want print of s of s of 1. Okay, print I want s of 1 first. So print s of 1 means where is the index? So observe where is the index means here. So s of 1 means here it's there. So here is there. Okay. So now s of 1 means what we will get? S of 1 means a. Okay. S of 1 means what we will get? A. Okay. Now observe. Okay. We are getting a. Now observe in the same way what I will do. I want the character at the sixth position. Okay, now I want the character at the sixth position. So now what is the character at the sixth position? A. Here also A. Okay. Now observe here. So now also I am getting A only. Okay. Observe here I saved the program. Don't think I didn't save. Here I saved. Okay. For your safety purpose, for your clarity, I'm taking another one. Okay. Now I want to see the character at the fourth position. Okay, now I want to see the character at the fourth position. So what is the character at the fourth position? What is the character at fourth position? U. Okay, now we want to get the U. If I give 4, it should give output as U, right? So observe here, I'm giving 4. Okay, if you observe here, U. Okay, if I'm giving 4 means it is getting that one, right? Now, now the next scenario is, so positive means we observed all some 3 combinations. So negative vibes. Okay, negative vibes means print of print of s of print s of minus 2. Okay, I want a negative direction, backward direction, backward direction. So minus 2, I want the element at minus 8. Okay, minus 8 and minus 1. Okay, and at 10th. Okay, I want at minus 10, and here what we observed, we'll write one more time. Character at s of 1, s of 1, print of s of 6th. Okay, s of 6. Now what is s of 1 means, s of index position 1, a. Okay, a. So observe here, based on this diagram I am telling. Okay, based on this diagram I am telling. Now what is s of 4 means, s of 4 means u. Okay, s of 4 means u. S of 6. Okay, s of 6 means, what is s of 6? A. S of 6 means what? A. So this is nothing but positive direction. Okay, positive direction. Now this is nothing but negative direction. So what is minus 2? Minus 2 means what we will get? Minus 2 means a. Minus 2 is also a. What is minus 8? Okay, what is minus 8? Minus 8 means yes. Okay, what is minus 8 means yes. Next, minus 1. Okay, what is minus 1 means? Minus 1 means r. Okay, minus 1 means what? R. Minus 1 means r. Minus 10. Okay, minus 10 means okay, as of now just leave about this one. First we are going to get this one as the output. A u a u a, positive direction, negative direction a s r. Okay, we have to get this output exactly without any changes. Now observe, positive direction a u a, a u a. Backward direction means a s r. Okay, a s r. That means here I here I want to give clarity. Whenever you give the string, Python PVM is going to consider the characters based on in this way. Okay, in this way Python is going to consider. Okay, based on in this way Python is going to consider string in this format, and based on this information it is going to give you the outputs. Okay, based on this information and it's going to give you the outputs. Clear? Now coming to the next. Okay, now coming to the next one. Suppose here I'm accessing it within the range. Okay, here I'm accessing within the range. Okay, before here what I'm doing, crossing crossing the limit, crossing limit. Here I'm crossing the limit first. First time what I'm doing with the positive vibe. In the positive vibe, I'm asking S of 10. But here how many characters are there from starting to ending? Only how many characters are there? Only how many characters are there? Only 0 to 7 characters are there. 0 to 7 characters are there. But how much characters, it what character I'm asking? 10th character I'm asking. Okay, 7th character is the last one. Okay, 7th character is the last one, right? So when 10th character is not there in the provided string, so it is going to give you that error, index out of range error or index error. Okay, now observe. Okay, if you observe here, it is going to say that index error string index out of range. Okay, you are accessing s of 10. Okay, you are accessing s of 10 which is not there. That is, it is saying that index error string index out of range. Okay, it is crossed the limit. Okay, it crossed the limit. Now the next save the same thing with the I will give negative direction also. Observe the negative direction. Minus 10 I'm asking. Okay, I'm asking the same with minus 10. Now observe the same thing. So here also it is saying that string index out of range. See, I know it will give error with minus or plus, but I want to give the clarity. Okay, I want to give the clarity. That's why I'm explaining with the both cases. Means giving in two ways, either positive or negative. So if you are accessing the elements out of range in Python by using index operator, it will give index error string index out of range. Okay, clear, right? So this is the way we can access characters by using this is the way we can access characters by using index operator. Okay, here I want to write one note. What is the note means? First point, if you are trying to access, okay, if you are trying to access the elements, if you are trying to access the elements, if you are trying to access the elements on out of range, on out of range, on out of range, then range index, then we are going to get, then we will get error, then we will get error saying index error, index error, that is index out of range, string index out of range, string index out of range. I get error saying index error string index out of range, right? Clear, right? So whenever we are trying to access the elements on with out of range, then we will get error saying index error string index out of range. Okay, string index out of range. Clear, right? So now the next concept, next I'm going to explain one program that is based on the string. I want to print the keyboard and display the characters at index wise, both positive and negative. Okay, I want to print the characters in the console, positive index and negative index. That means observe the requirement. Program to accept a string, program to accept a string from the keyboard, from the keyboard keyboard and display characters by index. Okay, index wise. Keyboard and display characters by index wise. That is both positive and both positive and negative. Both positive and negative. That means that means here we are going to get the output in this format. That means how at what position which character is there. Okay, wait, what position which character is there, that we are going to get the output, right? So now I'm writing the program for that first. So what is our program means? Whether I saved this not? Yes, right. Okay, next this is our requirement. Okay, what is our requirement? Confirming one more time. Program to accept a string from the keyboard and display characters by index wise. That means it should display both positive and negative. Okay, it should display both positive and negative. First here what I am doing, I am reading the string. Okay, s is equal to input of input of enter some string, enter some string, enter some string, enter some string. Okay, after entering the string, first what I have to do for x in s. Okay, first character I'm taking the character at positive index. Okay, the characters at positive index means I. Okay, first for that I'm taking I is equal to 0. For that I'm taking first I is equal to 0. Next what I am doing, the characters here I'm printing the characters, the character, the character, the character x, the character x present at present at present at I. Next present at okay, anyway I will write in this way then. Character present at positive index, positive index, index I, index the character present at positive index x. The character present at positive index x is first character at next negative index, negative index, negative index is I, I minus length of length of yes, I minus length of yes. Okay, I minus length of yes. Here what I am doing, I am incrementing the value of I. First what I am taking, the character present at a positive index x. Okay, x means first character at I, at 0. Negative index is at what? negative index at I minus length of s. Now observe here, I am running this program. Okay, so what mistake I did? I plus is equal to 1. Okay, I thought Java. Okay, I plus equal to 1. So this is nothing but compound assignment operator. Okay, compound assignment operator. Now observe, enter some string. I am giving Sai Kumar. Observe here, S at 0, A at 1, I at 2, K at 3, U at 4, M at 5, A at R, R at 7. The same diagram we got in this format or not? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. SAIKUMUR 0 and end is 7 with respect to positive. S at 0 and R at 7. S at 0, R at 7. With respect to minus 1 means minus 1 R. Okay, minus 1 at minus minus 1 is R. Okay, minus 1 is at R. Minus 8 at S. Okay, minus 8 at S. Right? So this is the way I want to display. Okay, the same diagram I'm printing by using in this program. Okay, clear, right? If you are having any questions, so please post your query in the comment section. Just in the previous program, in the previous section, just I'm displaying how the characters are accessing. Okay, how can we access the characters by using index operator means in this way. Okay, so that's what, for your clarity purpose, I have taken this diagram. Okay, if I can explain here, you can get much clarity. So after that, I have explained this program to give full clarity. Program to accept a string from the keyboard and display characters by index wise. Okay, both positive and negative. Right? Okay. Now observe here what is the our output. Just I'm keeping here. Clear, right? So when you are learning something, don't give up in the middle. Okay, don't give up in the middle, because I'm writing the programs in front of you to give the clarity, full clarity. Okay, that's why I'm writing the programs in front of you. Just everything is I will give in-depth knowledge. Okay, be patient and learn everything slowly. Okay, don't try to learn in the short way. Okay, clear, right, about this program? So today we have observed that how to access characters of string means there are two ways. Okay, but I have covered only the one way, that is by using index operator. Okay, by using index operator means supports both positive and negative direction. Okay, positive means left to right, negative means right to left. Okay, here I'm taking string and I'm accessing the characters. Okay, if you are crossing the limits means it's going to give index error, right? Okay, and next program is program to accept string from the keyboard and display character set index wise, both positive and negative. Okay, observe here, I want to give some other one. Learning Java is difficult somewhat when compared to Python. When compared to Python. Okay. Now we are going to get each and every character at which character, which letter is there. Okay. With including considering the spaces also. Okay. Including considering the spaces also. Now observe here. I'm entering. If you observe here, how many characters are there? Total 58 characters are there. Okay, 58 characters, last space is at 52, 54 at y. Okay, minus 10th position space, minus 15th position p. Like that we are getting the output, right? Here minus 59. Don't think that minus 59 here 58 means in this it is started from 0. Okay, 0 means 58. Okay, it started from minus 1 means 59. Clear, right? Okay, this is the way we can access the characters by using index operator. Okay, in the next session we are going to observe how to access the characters by using slice operator. Okay, in the next session we are going to observe how can we access the characters by using slice operator. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section. Okay, thank you friends.